Morning, guys. Just to show you what happened the overnight, and this is how we are planning our trades today. As I mentioned in the written blog, that U- the the dollar now is at its lowest or close to one of its all-time historical low against the Japanese yen. It has broken below that structure point around the 85 or the 84.80 level, and now the next target for us to go or to test is the 81.82, which the yen has, which was the 95 level. So this is an extremely bearish situation for the dollar yen, and we have to see at this moment how the Japanese government is going to act, if it is going to act. They don't have any supporting power right now from the European countries or the United States. All these countries now have their own political and economic problems to take care of, and they all prefer to have weak currencies in order for them to be able to increase their exports. For a country like Japan that is export dependent, this is not a good situation. If you look also at the pound yen, it is pretty much the same situation. This is the all-time low that has been set in 2009, and now we are below the 132 level. We have broken now, and we're sitting right above the structure point of 129.30, which is also an extremely negative situation. And you can see the severe decline in the intraday. This is just like a watershed, and the pound in general has been taking as a serious pounding against all the other currencies, and this should continue. So now all the rallies or any move to the upside should be a selling opportunity for us. We should not be eager to buy at the time being. The Aussie is not really much better. You see it has broken below the 89.45 level and the 89.06, and as you can see now, the further decline. The euro yen, this is the sad story, if you will, or it's quite interesting. It shows you how the strength of the euro, we are short from the 112, which was the break below the structure point, and now we are pretty much at quite very much near the lows of the 2001, the 2002, and we are now broken through all these structures, so there is nothing, or we should not be looking at buying the euro yen. On the contrary, our primary now is to be looking at the further continuation to the downside, and we can place our stop above one of our structural points. So with that said, I just want to let you know that we are now coming into the tail end of August, where next week we have the bank holiday in the UK and then Labor Day holiday in the United States. So the markets are extremely thin, and they are subject to volatile moves in either direction because there isn't